Welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I will show you a beautiful concept in Power BI, that is how you can refresh your database in Power BI. Okay, so first of all, we will understand the problem and then I will go to the solution. Okay, so this is my existing Power BI project, and here you can see that on the top layer there are different counts are showing, and this is the database. Okay, and all this database comes from PostgreSQL, and inside the PostgreSQL now basically this is my PostgreSQL. This is the DB viewer for viewer, okay, of it, and inside this I update some data and inside some new rows in some tables. Okay, so but it not reflected here. Here you can see that the incidents are 4822 now, but on the this side the incidents is basically updated. Okay, so but it is not reflected to this, as this postgre database I have already connected this for this. So how you can refresh your data in Power BI from the latest DB? So for this, go to the home tab. Okay, inside the home tab, okay, this is the refresh all tables to access the latest data. Click on this. Refresh process is started. So when it completes, then you will see here that all these updates will be according to the new data. After refreshing here, you can see that this incident is updated to 4927. Here is how you can basically refresh all data in Power BI from the latest DB changes. Okay, if you want to, for example, individual table refresh, for in each individual table you can also go to here and click on the refresh data, so that will refresh the data of each individual table also. So I hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question, the question link is mentioned in video description. You can ask on that specific link, or you can order me any similar or different related work. The order link is also mentioned in video description. Just call that specific link and you can order me. I will reply you on your email. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.